Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving into one of nature's most beautiful creations, the flower, a truly fascinating organ of angiosperms. But have you ever wondered? A flower isn't just about beauty or fragrance. It's actually a biological powerhouse, a site of sexual reproduction. Let's unlock all the secrets today. So stay tuned till the end. All flowering plants, also called angiosperms, reproduce sexually. And if we observe closely, the diversity in their inflorescences, flowers, and floral parts is simply amazing. Each structure you see, the petal shapes, the flower arrangements, even their colors and scents. All these adaptations exist to achieve one goal, the formation of fruits and seeds, the final products of sexual reproduction. But what exactly is a flower for a biologist? To scientists, a flower is nothing less than a morphological and embryological marvel. It's the place where all the critical steps of sexual reproduction happen, from the production of gametes to fertilization, and finally the creation of a new plant life. Interestingly, humans have shared a deep emotional bond with flowers since ancient times. Flowers are more than biological structures. They are symbols of love, beauty, grief, celebration, and devotion across cultures. Think about it. We gift roses to express love, offer marigolds during festivals, place white lilies at memorials. Flowers have silently conveyed emotions that words often fail to express. Let's recall the basic parts of a typical flower. And trust me, each part has an important role to play. So, first up, we have the calyx. This is the outermost whorl, made of sepals, and it's usually green. These sepals protect the flower bud before it blooms. For example, in hibiscus, you can clearly see the green calyx enclosing the bud. Next, let's talk about the corolla. This is the second whorl, made of colorful petals that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Just think of the bright red petals of a rose. Moving on, let's discuss the androecium. This is the male reproductive part, consisting of stamens. Each stamen actually has two main parts, the anther, which produces pollen grains or male gametes, and the filament, which is a stalk that holds up the anther. Now, for the gynoecium, this is the female reproductive part, made of carpels or pistils. Each carpel has three parts: the stigma, which is a sticky surface to catch pollen, the style, which is a tube connecting the stigma to the ovary, and the ovary itself, which houses the ovules or female gametes. When fertilized, the ovary develops into a fruit, and the ovules become seeds. So, if you were wondering about the two most important units of sexual reproduction inside a flower, they are pollen grains, which are formed inside the anther as male gametes, and ovules, which are present inside the ovary as female gametes. When these two unite during fertilization, a miracle happens: the birth of a new life form. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. Flowers have adapted themselves in countless ways to ensure successful reproduction. Some flowers, like jasmine, release strong scents at night to attract nocturnal pollinators like moths. Some, like sunflowers, have large inflorescences that act like landing platforms for bees. Bright colors, nectar, specific shapes, all are clever strategies by nature to ensure pollen reaches the right place. A flower is not just a symbol of beauty, but a masterpiece of biological engineering. Through millions of years, flowers have evolved intricate structures, processes, and relationships, all centered around the wonder of life itself. If you found today's exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget. Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Stay tuned to Knowledge Chronicle, because knowledge is not just power, it's beauty too. See you in the next video.